Hello everyone, Linda Israel here, and I'm working on a fairy themed junk journal, just making different pages, and I thought I'd share with you what I'm doing. I've got some Tattered Angels Glimmer Mists here, some pages out of one of those tear off notepads, some washi tape, and some graph paper that came out of a composition style journal. The first thing I need to do is trim this piece of paper. What I like to do is line up these edges really well and then crease out the paper, and then I'm going to lay this on my paper cutter and just cut off the fold. So now I have two sheets of paper that I can use in my journal. The next thing that I'm going to do is get out my spray box. This is a box that I use to spray my papers with Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. And I've got a stencil. You can make a stencil like I did. I used my Cricut to make one. And then I've got Italian Sunset, Precious Metal, and Taffy Tattered Angels Glimmer Mist. It's got the glimmer in it. So it's a good idea to shake them. I'm going to start with my lighter color, which is the Taffy, and then a little bit of the Precious Metal, and then a very small amount of the orange or Sunset, Italian Sunset. And then I'm going to take the other page that I cut apart and lay it on top of the stencil and pick up any of that Tattered Angels that's beaded up on top of this plastic stencil. And then while that's in my box, I'll pick up the Precious Metal and then give this side a good coat, and that'll make this side shimmer and have a little bit of design. Then I'll flip this page over and spray this side again. Next, I'll use my heat tool to dry this paper. Now I'll take this piece of paper and I'll fold it in half, and this will become a page in my junk journal. I'll do it on the other one as well. I've got these little notepad pages, and I thought they would look really cute on the page. And then if you put washi tape on it, it can flip up and you can write on the other side. So I've got this washi tape. This one has little circles. I'm going to put it somewhat in the center, so you could write a title above, or I can stamp. Actually, no, I think I want to stay. I'm going to go up just a little bit. Variety, right? And then I'm going to start just on the edge and go across to the other edge of the note paper and trim the washi tape. And then that'll allow the user to write underneath and on top if they so choose. I'm going to do the same thing over here. So that's part of the page. I'm going to flip these over. And then I've got some rubber stamps here that I thought would be kind of cute to stamp. I've got some vintage photo distress ink. And I'm just going to ink up this stamp and stamp on here. This one says, "Not all who wander are lost." And I've got a little butterfly kind of floating by. I've got another butterfly, so we'll put another butterfly over here. So that just kind of quickly decorates that page, and then we'll do this one. It says, "Miracles happens to those who believe." And this one says, "She believed she could, so she did." I think that's important, that we believe we can and do. All right, so just quick, two little pages. that were made out of using one page out of a composition book journal, spraying it with Tattered Angels Glimmer Mists, attaching a notepad page, and stamped on it. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video of another idea, hopefully, to decorate your pages. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Comment below if you have any questions or comments. And of course, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Check the description box for links to the Tattered Angels that I used today, as well as if I get all the stamps, I'll put the stamps in there as well in my blog post. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate you. Aspire to be amazing. Bye.